the International Conference on Agriculture and Forestry.
When you look at the United Arab Emirates, I think most of the people don't think about agriculture. So I'm just going to give you a brief background information. UAE is about 8 million people. Agriculture contribution in the GDP is less than 2%. Country import about 95% of their food, spending over 12 billion US dollar every year. But what happened was in 2008, 2009, if we remember, there was a food crisis around the world. And UAE is the one, because if you have 95% food imported, you feel that shock. And after that one, the UAE government realized that they need to invest some towards the food security. And they've been historically, for hundreds of years, they've been involved in camel production, date production, fisheries, and some fruits and vegetables, livestock, and poultry. They are not self-sufficient except fisheries and date production, but rest of that one is not more than 30% in each of that category. So they invested a lot. They adopted several strategies. First, to increase local production, buying from outside the UAE, like in Sudan, Pakistan, the former Soviet states, using the concept of storage, buying it when world prices are good, store it as a reserve food stocks and use it later on. So one of the things in UAE is desert, harsh environment, and agriculture production is very difficult. Water resources are very low, cost of production is very high. So they have to distinguish, they have to differentiate their product, then they can get price premium in the market. And one of the initiatives they use is the organic farming. And it is under the control environment, and a lot of public and private investment we have seen in the recent year. And consumers have high income, so they are getting more educated, they are demanding more high quality foods, more processed food. So this organic food fulfill one of their objectives to achieve some food security. Part of this one is we did some of the consumer survey to look at it, how the consumer are looking for in terms of organic food products. This is just the general statistics around the globe, that about 77 million acres of the organic in 119 countries, and 4 countries, Australia, China, Argentina, US, in the certified organic land in the top 4, and the global market is about 40 billion US dollar annually. Projected market size, and remember, the largest organic markets are in European Union and US. It's about 46 billion in European Union, about 45 billion in US, and 11 billion in Japan. The 20 to 30% of the consumer purchase organic food annually, regularly, and annual growth is about 12 to 13% depending on different countries. And it is expected that the demand for the global food will increase over time. So there are several benefits which are advocated to the farmers to adopt. These ones related to the soil tillage, energy, environmental effect, less chemical, and safe food to promote organic farming in different countries. Let me tell you about the organic farming in UAE. According to the National is a English newspaper in the UAE, that UAE is now buying more organic food. The Ministry of Environment and Water, which is formerly known as the Ministry of Agriculture, they say, according to their statistics, about 5,000 tons of organic food were harvested last year. And Ministry of Environment and Water has started several initiatives to promote organic food, including establishing the several organic stores in Dubai. One of the reasons for the local farmer was they were willing to produce, but they could not find market for to sell their products. There was lacking of certification. There was no market outlets. So this year the ministry, they established, like if you probably known about Global Village, they have a like this country festival 5-6 months in Dubai. So they open an organic store there. They have an organic store in Dubai Mall, one of the biggest mall. They established the and they take this product from the local farmers and provide them facility to sell it through their outlet. Also there is a fish market in Dubai, so they trying to create a brand name for the local organic food products. There are not many organic farms there. About 15 certified organic now exist. They have the world's largest date palm farm, which is a private farm. It has over 60,000 date palm trees producing organic, and they are certified from the USDA under the US certification system. The UAE also started their own standards, and now first Ministry of Environment was providing the certification for the organic, but most recently they are trying to give it to the third party to get certification for the farms. How big is organic? A few months ago we had on our campus, we had the Organic Awareness Symposium. We invited farmers, we invited the government sector, the university, the researcher, and some of the consumers, and we had the organic display of the products, and we had some lectures and some seminars. So I just took some of these pictures to show you how organic is growing in UAE also. The objective of this particular study was to look at the organic food industry in UAE, to look at the consumer perception and their attitude, and to suggest some of the programs to promote organic. It was a primary data collected in all 7 emirates of the UAE, and about 400 respondent surveys was used to analyze this data. How much they know about organic? If you look at it, there is about only 20% they know a lot about the organic, and majority of the consumers, they have a little or some knowledge, and about 10% they have nothing they know about the organic food products. Do they buy? Yes. About 80% of the respondents we survey, they say they buy organic food, but the frequency to buy organic food is very low. Like only 20% say they buy very often. Majority of them they buy sometime, rarely or never they purchase the organic food. How about the availability of the organic food markets in the UAE? Still 30% say it's enough, but half of them, about 45-46% say they don't know, because they are not into the organic food purchase. We ask them how they define organic, what they think about the organic food. So in the ranking, they think it's fresh, it's organic, it's chemical free, it's healthier, and it's good quality. And we also ask them what is the negative aspect they think about the organic. And first thing is the most costly or expensive. And we know it in US market and the European market, depending on the product, starting from 30 to 50%, you can have a price premium. But even in UAE, if you're producing non-organic products, they are more expensive than the imported products because of the control environment. And the other one is the shape and form, and lack of certified organic food, and trust factor was another negative aspect in this case. They know about organic certification. It's about half and half know, and more than half they do not know about the food certification. And I can just inform you that if you go and you are trying to purchase some of the organic food in UAE, most of them are European, imported from the European Union and European certification. And the people who buy organic, they say the certification was the deciding factor when they purchase organic food. I think it's because of the price difference in that one. We also ask them if they are willing to pay more for the desired attributes. So number one was the food quality, fresher, food safety, and then they say the certified organic food. And this is the mean value. We look at the Likert scale from 1 to 3. 1 is not likely and 3 is the most likely. Some of the conclusion we can draw from this study is that the consumer, a few consumer has know a lot knowledge about the organic. Consumer think the organic is fresh, chemical free and healthier. Majority of them, they buy organic very rarely sometime, but the frequency to buy very often is lacking. The main concern is the expensive, irregular shape and lacking certification. And the majority of the consumer don't know about the certification, but it is a deciding factor when they buy organic food. Consumers are willing to pay for the organic food products. So some of the recommendations are the high income and growing educated consumer in UAE has potential for organic food market. Program for consumer awareness knowledge and awareness is needed to promote organic food markets. Focus on organic certification will build consumer trust, a key factor when buying the organic. A potential for agribusinesses to produce certified organic food products because consumers are willing to pay more for the organic food and need to establish more organic food markets in the country. Thank you very much.